So I am out here in the woods down the hill trying to bring up some firewood that I cut, some oak trees and limbs and such. So I'm going to try to pull them up with my wagon here. And so I've used some ratchet straps to secure a load of some oak wood there. It's cut to firewood. And so working on getting a rope run up to the top of the hill, and where I have an anchor on one of the trees up there and my garden cart as well, so that once I get them up there I can transfer the load into the garden cart and just pull that to take it to the place where I'm drying the wood. So it can hold quite a bit more, and it's a lot easier, bigger wheels to transport, but it also only has 2 wheels, so I can't pull it up with a rope because it would be front end would be dragging or something like that. So anyway, I'm going to try some mechanical advantage. I got 2 pulleys, and so that'll give me 3 ropes, and so it should give me a 3-to-1 ratio, and we'll see how hard it is to pull up. See what I can do here. So I'll show you guys what I accomplish here with that. Okay, so have a rope that has a hitch tied around the handle here, currently at a right angle so it doesn't go down the hill on me. Probably should stick a log or something behind that. That would be good. Lock it up. Well, you can only go one direction. Okay. I don't know if that'll hold it entirely, but it'll get me there. So for this part, I have a carabiner with a pulley that's rated for 30 kilonewtons direct pull and 15 on the rotational. So 15 should give me there, which I don't remember exactly. I think it's like 2,500 pounds or something like that. So with the mechanical advantage, we should be able to be within range. This rope is only about, I think, 500 pounds, but again, I think it will be under 500 pounds, so we'll see. I think this cart can hold around 900 pounds. It's kind of what it's rated for, so hopefully don't break anything. This rope will probably break. This is the bow line, so it won't cinch up, and it should be easy to get out. So I have it secured on the end of the rope to the wagon here, and then run up to the top, and then it'll come back down around the pulley here and then back up again. So I'll be at the top pulling. So it should be my 3 ropes to give me my 3-in-1 mechanical advantage. So this is my anchor point. It's a hawthorn tree wrapped around. Should be strong enough. It's really sturdy wood. But I'm thinking if we move it over here, which is about 10 feet, that would save me 20 foot of rope. Not that I'll still be able to get it in there. So there's the loop there that needs to be put in the thing, but between that and extending it with another 15 feet, that's about 15 feet between the tree and the rope. So I'm hoping that maybe the other rope can extend it enough. So I'm gonna go get the other rope and we'll see what we can do here. Still not enough. This is a cow knot, I think you call it, or a cow hitch or something like that. Over this. Oh. There we go. Okay. Which we don't need this carabiner. We have one. Okay, so we want to just round and like that. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so if that's true, it's going to come down on this side. Then okay. So I need to fix it up at the top there so it's all neat. So I got it in the block. I got everything straightened out so I can be on this side. Stopper knot here to which to pull from. And we shall see if we have a disaster. So oh man. Wow. Little me doesn't seem to have the strength to do it even a third. I guess it should get easier as I get up here. I will be on level ground. Boots probably aren't the best for traction. Success, sort of. Oh, it's here, and I'm somehow still here. So, yeah, I'm like super tired. That was the hardest thing I've done all week, I think. Oh man, that was really bad. It's like playing tug of war. Whew. All I got to pull on that. It didn't really feel that hard, but it was just like that constant pressure on there the whole time. Or, well, I mean, I could let up a little bit, but it was just like, I have to fight for every inch. Wow. Sure glad I didn't put any more logs on that one. So now I got to get the garden cart down to this level. It's fairly level here. It's not terrible. So I don't think it's going anywhere with the steering cocked over like that. So anyway, that works. That's how you do it. 2 pulleys, 200-foot rope, little rope here to keep it centered, a couple carabiners, strap, and you can do it without any mechanical strength.